Okay, today we will discuss the concept radix to decimal. So today we will discuss the concept radix to decimal. In convert any radix to decimal. So today we are discussing this. So for example, 11010. This is a base to convert into decimal. So radix to decimal. So that means any radix to decimal. What is any radix to decimal? How you will solve the problem? So we can multiply each and every number, the power of series by 2, that is radix. And you can add those terms, right? How you will convert any radix to decimal? In the previous classes we discussed. So how to convert that any radix to decimal is nothing but you have to done by expanding the number in the power of series, and you will adding all the terms. So from here right to left. So this one is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So this is the power of series, that radix, and you can multiply each and every one. Now we are going to write 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. 0 into 2 power 0. So 1 into 2 power 4, what is the value? 1 into 2 power 4? 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2.
2 plus 0.
Yeah, what is the value? 26, right?
26.
Yeah, 26 is the value, decimal value. So by this way, we will be convert any radix to decimal. So any radix to decimal is nothing but here we have to expanding the number, this number with the power of series, that is with radix, a power of series, and adding all these terms, then you will get the final result. Is it clear now how to convert any radix to decimal? So one more example we discussed now. So in previous we will convert decimal to any radix, right? In that you can take decimal to binary is we are 41 is the decimal number, convert into binary, right? Yeah. 0 1 0 1. So this is the base 2. You have to convert it is decimal. While you are doing this process, you will get 41. Okay, so see whether it will become or not. So here 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So 1 into 2 power 5 plus 0 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So 1 into 2 power 5, 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 1, 41. So like this you can cross check. So mirila cross check. So manam mamulga in previous example you did 41 is a decimal number, then you will convert into binary. So this result came 101001. Now that on a binary number you will take, that will be converted into decimal, means So same answer, whatever the decimal number is there, that decimal number is coming here. Is it clear? And so this is the cross verification, one of the method, whether you can done correct or not, means this is the cross verification method. Is it clear? So next example, you can do that. 231 base 8. So convert into decimal. Tell me what is the answer. 231 is the base 8. Convert into octal.
153.
Yeah, very good. 153 is the answer. So here is nothing but 64. 64 into 2, 128. Next, 24 plus 1.
Plus 1.
So 153 is the answer. So like this, we will convert decimals, any radix to decimal. So next, I will give one more example. That is FA base 16 to base 10. Convert it. FA base 16 to 10. So convert it. 250 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am, 250.
Answer. So here 16 power 0, 16 power 1. First you will write as it is here 16 power 1 plus 6, A into 16 power 0. So F is nothing but 15 into 16 plus A is nothing but 10 into 16 power 0 is nothing but 1. First, you can mention this step. Later only you will convert the values. Okay, so you will get the result 250. Next, next example. 1010.011 base 2 base 10. So ikkada fractional part also there, right? So decimal to any radix means there you can multiply it by 2, right? This fractional part is multiplied by 2, like that you can multiply based upon radix, right? So now here what is the procedure? So first you can observe here, right? This one is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So here that is after this one fractional part we will come. So here you can write 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3. Is it clear now? So now 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0 plus again 0 into 2 power
0
minus
into
1.
2 power minus 1.
Yeah. Plus
0
1
into
into
2 power minus 2. 1
plus
into 2 power minus 2. Plus 1 into 2 power minus 3.
Yeah. Then
Minus
what is the
3.
result?
10.375.
10.375.
5.
Yeah, this is the answer. So by this way, we can calculate the fractional part from any radix to decimal. So in this example, so fractional part only. So from left to right, we will take 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3. Whereas integer part, we will take from right to left 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Is it clear enough? The next one is 1 to 1 to 1. Base 3 to base 10. 1 to 1 to 1. Base 3 to base 10. So now this is the base, that is any radius to decimal. How you will convert? And tell me the answer. Here 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4. Here 1 into 3 power 4 plus 2 into 3 power 3 plus 1 into 3 power 2 plus 2 into 3 power 1, 1 into 3 power 0. So 1 into 3 power 4 is nothing but 81.
81.
2 into 3 power 3.
54.
Yeah, 54. Next.
Plus
9.
9 plus.
Plus 6.
6 plus 1.
6.
So then total result is 151 base 10.
151.
The next one. 1032.2 base 4 to base 10. Convert it. 1032.2 base 4 to base 10. 78.5. And next you can do one more example. 0.342 base 6 to base 10. 0.342 base 6 to base 10. What is the answer? 0.620 and 0.620369, like that the value will come. So 3 into 6 power minus 1. What is the 3 into 6 power minus 1? Next 4 into 6 power minus 2 plus 2 into 6 power minus 3. So 3 into 6 power minus 1. So what is the value?
0.5.
0.5.
Yeah, 0.5 plus 4 into 6 power minus 2.
0.111.
Yeah, 0.111 plus 2 into 6 power minus 3.
0.0078.
0.0078. You can add this one. Totally the value will be 0.620 something. It will become, right? So you can add these values and then finally it will get the result. A3B base 16 to base 10. Convert it.
10
So
into
with the
16 power
clarity.
2 plus 3 into 16 power 1 plus
Yeah.
11 into 16 power 0.
Yeah, very good. Convert 789 base 8 to base 10. base 8 to base 10. Is it possible? We will not convert
It's not possible, madam.
questions. Already we discussed. So why? Because
Octal and 0 to
base
7 letters.
0 to 7 only. But here 8, 9 also digits are there. So this is a wrong format. This is not an octal number. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it will be Like this type of questions are coming in your final exams. So this type of conversion is not possible. Why? Because 8 and 9 are not octal numbers. Why? Because the range of octal is 0 to 7 only. Is it clear, ma? Binary to octal conversion. In that binary to octal conversion, so we know that base for octal number is 8, right? And the base for binary number is 2. The base for octal number is third power of the base for binary number. That means 2 power 3, right? So we know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
octal base is 8 and binary base is 2. So the base for octal number is third power of the base for binary numbers, that is 2 power 3. So we are grouping 3 bits and we will convert its equivalent octal digit, right? So we have to divide the 3 binary bits and then converting each group digit to its octal equivalent. So that's why here we are converting binary. That way we can converting here binary to octal conversion. Suppose for example, I will tell you a small example. 10100000. This is the binary digit. You will be converted into octal. So in this binary to octal conversion, so we have to divide the bits from right to left, 3 bits. Why we are taking 3 bits means octal base is 8, binary base is 2. So we can write octal 2 power 3. Then we are going to divide 3 bits. So it will be divide the bits from right to left. That means 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So 0, 0, 0 is nothing but in octal equivalent 0. 1, 0, 1 is nothing but 5, right? Meeku values telusuntaru. Yeah, 5. So then 50 is the octal number. I will tell you one more example. 101 101 011 01 point 0111. This is the value. So 10101101.0311. So from this part, we will be divide 3 bits from right to left. That means 1, 2, 3. Okay, line veskondi. Next again 1, 2, 3. And more division. But here there are no 3 bits, only 2 bits are there. So no problem, we have to place a 0. So 010 is nothing but 2.
3,
101 is nothing but 5.
5,
Again 101 is nothing but
5.
5 point. Here 0111. So you can divide the 3 bits from left to right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And here only 1 is there. You can put remaining here how many zeros are required? 2. So
2
you can
zeros.
place
2
2 zeros.
zeros.
Okay, no problem. So 011 is nothing but 3.
3,
100 is nothing but
4.
4.
So the value is 255.34. 255.34 is the octal number. Is it clear, ma? 255.34 is the octal number. So like this, we will be convert binary to octal conversion. Is it clear? Binary to octal conversion. So this is the binary. What is the octal? So Chase Cheppandi, what is the binary value is 1010010.10101. Convert into its octal equivalent. 1 to
2.
2.
Point
52.
52.
Yeah, yes. 2, 2, 1. So 1 to 2.52. Very good. So like this, we will be convert binary to octal conversion. The next one is octal to binary conversion. So in this octal to binary conversion, so each digit of octal number is individually converted to its binary equivalent. So here in this octal to binary conversion, each digit of the octal number is individually converted to its binary equivalent to get a octal to binary conversion of that number. For example, 125 is base 8, convert into its binary means 1 is nothing but 001, 2 is nothing but 010, 5 is nothing but 101. Yeah, this is the binary equivalent for this number. Is it clear? So how you will get octal to binary means each digit of this octal number individually converted to its binary. So each individual digit, that is 1 means 001, 2 means 010, 5 means 101. So you will get octal to binary conversion. Is it clear how to convert octal to binary? Next we will do one more example. 742.34 base 8 to base 2. Convert it. Yeah, 111.
101.
4 ones, 3 zeros, 1 0, ma'am.
4 ones, 3 zeros.
0, 1 0.
Point
011.
0.
0 3
1
0.
Okay.
0 3.
Then,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, so this way we will convert octal to binary conversions. So in small next one small topic is there, that is hexadecimal to octal conversions, octal to hexadecimal conversions. So these concepts and complements. So these two concepts we will discuss in next class. So in radix to decimal conversions are over. And apart from that, there are one more conversion is there, that is hexadecimal to octal conversions, octal to hexadecimal conversions. So in next class, we will discuss.